Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So, real quick, I just wanted to share with you my design team haul, and I have a few items that I got separate from that. I've got the first thing that I'm so excited to share is this glitter, the bead, let me read it. Yeah, glass bead glitter gel from is it Faber-Castell? Um, Edith had used this in a video and it went out of stock like almost immediately, and then she got more in. So I'm excited about this because you can use it with your stencils. You can use it on projects like different layouts and your cards. So I'm really excited about that. I had to get me some. And then I'm going to just move some stuff here to the side. And we're going to start off with the spring. What is this by? The Cartabella. Yeah, Spring Market. Okay. And I got everything that she had left that was in stock. I got the 12 by 12 collection. I'm going to show you the papers on the 6 by 6 only because it's smaller. I am in love with, and I probably should have gotten two of the 6 by 6 pads, one to cut up and one to save because they're just so pretty. But I'm just going to flip through this so you can see the different. I love how they have the mixture of the wood, some flowers, the smaller flowers. That one's like a little, the tray with all the, what do they call them? Like the water pails, but with flowers in it. Vases, I guess. And then the black stripes, the gingham, or plaid, and the solid colors. I just love the mixture of the color tones in this set. It's girly, but it's not like overly, pinky pinky frou frou. But I am in love with it. I do. I like it a lot. And then here's some of the chipboard pieces. I love how they have that. Uh, to me, it looks like a shelf. And then you got the different. This is the little, kind of like the side thing I got. I've always wanted one of these travel journals. And I was like, when she said they were back in stock and uh, they only had a few left. Yeah, I was like, now or never. So I went and I grabbed it. And you do have to get the insert separate. The main holder comes empty. Okay. So there's nothing inside of it as far as like any books and stuff like that that you fill out. But this leather or the holder. It comes with a little keychain. It's really nicely made. It has the spot for you to put things on the side, cards, and then it has the straps for the books. And these are both empty on the inside, so there's no lines. It's just blank sheets, and I'm not even really sure exactly what I'm going to be doing with this one. Just like everybody else, I think I go through like planner phases and I get all these books and I have plans of what I'm going to write in them, and sometimes it doesn't all, fall into line. But I think for me, I was really picturing using this possibly for making my own sketches, places to scribble and make notes and stuff like that. But I'm going to do like everybody else does, and I'll probably be going through Pinterest and different places like that just to get ideas on how to really use the travel journal and get the most out of it. And I love how with them inside, it seems to close and fit very nice. And then there's also a pen holder, and it really seems like it will fit any size pen too. And what I like about it is when I closed it, what I did is I'm gonna um, adjust the pen so that it's kind of on the outside of the books, and it fits and close perfectly. You can see it here with it closed up. It seems like, just all fits together. I really like it. I'm hoping that I don't fall into the same pattern and I actually use it. So here's all of our pieces again, and I'll be using a lot of this in our April series of videos. So keep an eye out. I will have links down below to everything that's still in stock that you can get your hands on. And just click below for the scrapbookingwithme.com, and make sure you use my coupon code, which is TT15. I'll also have it down in the comments below. And at the end of the videos here, I will have links to previous videos. And I hope you guys have a great day.